remember how I did that now. All right. So you did.
Okay, now we're live, right? Mine says live. So I think we're good.
Yes, we're good. So tell me how you scored that again. You put 7.5 in at the top.
Yes, at the top of the normal probability applet.
Okay.
Here's the score, which is 0.674. And then you substitute 0.674, you know, in the z-score formula.
Hold on. Let me pull it up.
Yeah, it's confusing.
That's not what I wanted. The one where you solve for x?
Yes. So you put, so your 0.674 is z. So it's 0.674 equals, and then we're trying to figure out what x is. Minus 1800 because that's our mean, right? Divided over the standard deviation of 600.
Okay, got it. Okay,
So then,
okay, got it.
okay.
Well, that took a lot longer than it should have.
Oh, it's fine. I spent a while on it too. So the other one that I didn't get was the plot. You know, the QQ plots?
Yeah.
That plot E looked pretty normal. Is it because it's kind of like in an S?
Yeah, because the S's are the unusual. And you're talking about plot C?
I'm talking about plot E.
Oh.
Right?
Yeah, it's off enough and it's jagged enough that it's got what is that, a right skewed? That's my guess. It would be right skewed.
Probably so, since it kind of goes up on that side. I just thought it was normal when I was, you know, doing it myself. It looked fairly straight, but do you think it's just kind of does that little curvy?
Right. Well, I thought at the bottom it curves enough, and then I just thought it curved more.
Up, doesn't it? But look at EF curves at the top quite a bit, but it's just
the majority of it, they said there's going to be a few outliers, and they said specifically not to worry about that end. Yeah, so the majority of it's on the line, but this one's kind of all over.
Yeah,
and it's either above or below the line. It's not a lot of it's on the line, I guess, is what I was looking at.
That's true.
I don't know if that's the correct answer, but
I looked at the answer and it said it was not normal. So that was the only other one that I took me just a minute to figure it out. So
gotcha.
All right.
Should we do the group quiz? I got total area is 1.
Oh wait, what are we doing? I'm sorry.
The group quiz.
Oh,
Did you have any questions on the homework?
Just those. Let's see. I need to go to the group quiz. I'm not on there yet.
All right. Did you have any other questions on homework?
No.
Okay. We'll just do this. No. That one was the only one. I don't know why I could get it for the one above and not for the one below.
because it doesn't give you the z-score. It took me a little bit to figure out how to get the z-score. Okay, I'm almost there. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
So we're starting on number 3, right?
Yeah.
Isn't that just 1?
Yeah.
What you said. Okay. And that one's false. It always has to stay above it, right?
Right. In fact, it says it sits right on top of it.
And that 5 is true.
Yeah.
And that one's C.
Yeah.
And that's B. Right? Is that what you're thinking?
For the
Number 7.
the probability.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I
did A.
A is the probability it will be less than 1, right?
Oh, yeah. Gotcha. Okay. That makes sense.
That one's the 0.68, right?
So 68.
Yeah, but it says to write it as a oh, wait. Write your answer as a percentage rather than a proportion. Okay. So it's just 68, right, on that one? Sorry, I would have written it as a decimal.
All right. Yeah, I know. I saw that. Because yesterday, oh, shoot. Sorry.
Oh, you're good.
That's to remind me that I have my meeting. All right. 0.683 is 9. Is that what you got?
Yeah, I can get it like 0.689, or if you go in a tiny bit. Oh, maybe if I just put in the exact number. 0.683. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. That's going to be 95, but
Right. Right. But I'll go to the probability app and make sure. 0.955. Is that what you get?
I mean, it's following the rules, so
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying?
And that's that 0.997, right?
Yeah.
And then that's just that the values match the 68, 95, 99.7 rule.
Right. So what'd you get for the next one?
I just barely got it. I got 0.238. So you got no? You didn't get the same.
Okay, so tell me what you did.
Okay, so I took the 0.60 and then I minused it from the 0.65, and then I divided it by 0.07 and I got the z-score. And then I put the z-score. So for my z-score, I got negative 0.714.
Yes,
And then I put,
I did get the z-score of 0.7142.
okay.
Is that what you got?
Yes, negative 0.714, right?
Oh, see, I did not get negative.
Because you get, so when you do 60 minus 0.65, you get a negative 0.05.
Yeah, I thought the 0.65 goes first.
Because isn't the 0.65 is your mean,
Correct.
and the 0.6 is your x.
Right.
Right?
Right.
So put yours in and let's see if we get the same probability.
Well, I think 0.2376.
Yeah. I rounded it to 0.238.
Okay.
So do you have your more than now?
What was that?
Do you have the next one?
It's the one I came up with originally, right? 0.762.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right. Going to be the same answers, right?
Did you get the 0.762? Yeah, it is the same answers.
They're trying to trick us.
That one?
Because I think it was, the standard deviation. It was 5, so it would equal the same. It was just 5 in different directions.
So, yeah, so less than 0.7 is the same as what was greater than 0.6, right? Did you get the same exact answer, the 0.762?
Right.
Okay. Yeah.
So
I feel like something. How can you subtract that? They're the same.
find the probability that a randomly selected person will have a protein requirement that is between. Oh, you got a shade to the left of each score. So 0.
Them from each other. Like you should subtract the difference from the smaller one. They're the same. We got the same answer. So I'm confused.
Hold on.
I did something wrong, I think.
So isn't it just highlighting the middle area? Can't remember that to find the area between the two values, shade to the left of each z-score. So that would be basically everything to the left of the positive z-score, which would be the middle and the L. And then subtract the smaller area. So you would just unhighlight the left tail.
But is it, I guess I was thinking the right part of 0.6 and the left part of 0.7 because it's in between those. But it says, remember to find the area between the two values, shade to the left of each z-score. So that one would be the 0.762 minus the 0.238, right? If we're going to the left of each score. Which
I honestly could not even tell you. All right.
It confuses me a little bit because for some reason I thought that to figure out between them, you had to go to the right of the 0.6 and to the left of the 0.7, you know, kind of like we did. But if it's the left of both of them,
The applet does not allow us to find the probability of being between two values directly, but we can calculate these probabilities with the applet as follows. Let's see.
so we already got the answers, like your 0.762 is to the left of the 0.7. And then the 0.238 is what's left of the 0.6. So that gives us 0.524.
Right. But you'd round it up to 0.525 because I got 0.5248.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
I just took this. Like, did you already have your... you probably used like what was already in your calculator?
No, I just went to the normal probability.
7, 6, 2,
And
4.
let's see. Changed my z-scores. Okay. What was the z-score? Hold on.
Oh.
Minus 0.6. Let's do that over again.
Yeah, that does round up to 0.525, 0.525. I think that's our answer.
Okay. I'm just trying to figure out how I did that with the normal probability. All right. 0.70 minus 0.65 over 0.07 equals 7142. So it's the area that's in the middle.
Right.
Why wouldn't it just tell us that in the
applet?
well, in the
you know what it does? I just highlighted it just barely. It totally comes out to exactly the same. 0.525.
right.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I just thought you had to subtract it, but it's the exact same answer. So.
Okay, because, okay, gotcha. Can you have two different z-scores in this?
No, I don't think you can. Can you try? Because every time you click in one, it changes the other one, right?
Right. Hold on. Sorry, if you want to go on, I'm just trying to wrap my head around.
Working on that next problem.
Yes. Okay. Sorry, I'm just want to make sure I understand that. All right, got it, I think. All right. So what did you get for 17?
So for 17, I got 0.682. Is that what you got?
No. Close.
Shoot. Oh, shoot. I thought I was doing it right, but maybe.
I'm struggling with this today. So how do you do the percentile?
So this is that same one, you know, on the homework thing that you had a question about. So you have to put in the 0.35 on your normal probability applet.
Okay. So put 0.35 at the top.
And there you get your z-score.
So my z-score says 0.385.
Oh, mine says 0.454. You
Awesome.
have you
That
have
must be really off. So
you have
you're putting,
0.35 in the top?
yes, that's what I get.
Oh my gosh.
0.35. My z-score is negative 0.385. For is this
Mine,
for the standard deviation? Oh my Hannah. So if I,
so you're just in the normal probability app, right? I can't figure out why we're getting such way different numbers.
I know.
Kind of.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna start over. Oh, gravy train. Okay, so if I put 0.35 in the top,
In the area.
I get a score of 0.935.
No. No, I don't know. Mine says
And
0.454. I'm going to go back. I'm going to try putting in another one and then going back because something just seems.
can you show me your screen?
Yeah, let me. Yes, I'm going to. So I'm just going to turn my iPad to face my screen. It's going to be too
Okay.
white for you to see it. You see
Yeah.
that screen at all?
Okay.
Is that what yours looks like?
Let me see if I can accomplish that.
Oh, here's mine. There. Can you see it better now?
Okay. Let me do this. 0.35. So you got 0.454?
Yeah.
Hallelujah.
Did you get that this time too?
Oh my gosh, yes.
Well, I even went out to see if it was, but when I came back, it gave me the exact same thing.
Okay, so where am I at now? So 0.454 is the
Right.
answer for 17.
It's not the answer. That's your Z score. And then we have to plug it in.
Oh, and solve for it.
Solve for X again. So yeah,
Okay.
see what you get when you solve for X, and I'll see we get the same thing.
Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see if I can do this. Hmm. What did you get?
Okay, so for that one, I got 0.682.
Oh my gosh, I actually got that.
Good. So we got the same thing.
Yes. Oh, that took way too long.
No, I might took a while too. The next problem is the same. You have to plug it in and get your Z thing. Put yours in and let's see if we got the same Z thing.
My Z score is 1.282.
Yeah, that's what I got too. Yay!
Woo! All right. All right, let's see if I can figure that out though. So hold on. Hold on. Zero 0.739 or 0.740.
Yeah, that's what I put. I rounded up to 0.740. So yeah.
All right.
Sweet. I was just looking back through all of our answers. I think they all look pretty good.
Yeah. I guess we can go over them if we need to again. You might have to coach me on those.
No, I told you it took me a little while. I just took a little more time this morning, I think, to get it figured out. So, okay, are you submitting your?
Yeah, I just did.
Me too.
Did you submit?
Yeah.
Did you see your score?
I'm looking at it right now, and just mine just shows like each one. Looks like we got them all right. Oh, we missed one.
No, we
Two.
missed two. Two.
We missed two. I did it wrong. I'm sorry. I'm the one who told you how to do that, and I'm wrong.
All right, so I'm gonna go to our class meeting, I guess.
See if we can figure out how to do those and redo them.
Have them coach us.
I thought I had that down, but obviously I don't. So, okay.
Well, you know what? I didn't have a clue, so at least you had some direction. I didn't even wrap my head around.
It's so frustrating to me. Okay.
All right. Well, let's go to the class meeting and then we'll see if we can figure it out from there.
Okay.
Sound good?
Yeah, sounds good.